Advisor to LG Ladakh Dr. Pawan Kotwal chaired a meeting at Civil Secretariat Leh today to review the preparedness for construction of the main campus and the operationalizing of the temporary campus of the Sindhu Central University. Professor Sachin Gunte from IIT Madras gave an overview of the status of construction of the Sindhu Central University at Khaltse and the establishment of transit campus of the SCU and briefed about the ongoing admission process. In Ladakh, in a solemn and reverent ceremony, the Regiment of Artillery Indian Army celebrated the 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas with the Artillery Shaurya Gatha event at Lamochun Viewpoint. The event honored the valor and sacrifices of the soldiers who fought in the Kargil War. The program saw participation from esteemed war veterans, war heroes, and Veer Naris. Lieutenant General Adosh Kumar, Director General of Artillery, graced the event as the chief guest. In conversations with the media, war veterans shared heartfelt memories of the war, recalling the bravery and sacrifices of their comrades. The Administrative Secretary of the Power Development Department UT Ladakh, Vikram Singh Malik, chaired a meeting regarding the role of banks in financing and promoting the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana in the Union Territory of Ladakh at the Civil Secretariat Leh. During the meeting, a thorough discussion was held regarding the role of the financial institutions, including central and private banks functioning in the UT of Ladakh, for their role in financing PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. The Administrative Secretary has directed all the banks to sensitize the consumers about the scheme and for availing the option of availing loan facilities at an attractive interest rate. Recently, the UT administration of Ladakh has announced its top-up subsidy scheme on the central subsidy under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Ladakh Drangs heartily congratulate Siving Gombo, son of Skelzing Dawa, Oro Urgo High School Urgo, for winning a bronze medal in Delhi at the North Zone Championship. They said it is a pride that he has also qualified for the national level competition in Chennai, whereas Tenzin Diskit Oro Chilam from middle school Tharuk won the gold medal at district level championship at Leh, and all the girls for winning the championship. Dr. Sanjit Bhardwaj, the sub-divisional magistrate of Shakkar Chiktan, along the local officials, conducted a comprehensive assessment at the CHC Chiktan. The objective was to review the arrangements made for the upcoming Muharram observances and to evaluate the preparedness for potential adverse weather conditions. Chiktan Tehsil has previously encountered instances of floods, prompting heightened scrutiny of weather-related readiness measures.